Uncle Matt, where are you?
Well, I'm right here. Today we're testing out the TideWe Max hunting blind. I'm gonna set it up, show you how easy it is to set up. I love the portable pack it comes with, 2 shoulder straps. I wanna see how this goes. Stick with us. So on this hunting blind, it has these pull-ups, dead center of corners and top. So all you have to do is reach in, pull out, and work your way all the way around this. So we're gonna start here on this side. So you see here, I'm at the doorway. Once I get it set up, go in through the doorway, and I'll just push up the roof from here. That is how easy it is to set this up. So 4 easy sides, 1 roof push up, and I have it set up in less than 2 minutes. So I'm in the blind. I have the curtain pulled up. I'm gonna easily push down this curtain. It goes down very quietly. I have little hooks inside of here. We have the shoot-through screen to where that if I would need to open up the screen for a shot or just to be able to see if I'm using this for camping, easily just opens up. Full visibility. So on these screens, I love how that you can't see into it, but you can see through it all the way around. I'll show you an example of that from the outside looking in. And here's their view from outside looking in. I can see perfectly through there, but you can't see me. And as a hunter, we all know that movement is key, and being able to be concealed inside this TideWe hunting blind is awesome. So it is 360 all the way around on this hunting blind. So any angle that I want to shoot from, I can. Have very wide open angles, spots. On the inside, it is very roomy. Can at least fit 4 hunters in here. If I would need my camera crew and then a spot for me to be able to shoot, very easy. I'll show you how easy it is to be able to move around and then also unhook these little straps that holds up the curtains and slides down on this silent rolls. Because as every hunter knows, silence is key when it comes to hunting big bucks, all mature bucks. So you need as much silence as you need, as you can. And if you would need to set up a direction for wind to where that your wind is not blowing completely through, close off 1 or 2 or 3 of these, and you still have plenty of shooting area all the way around. I want to show you how that this has magnets inside of here. So to close this zipper off, this magnet just attaches right there and then down there. So you don't have to worry about that flapping around in the wind. And just to unzip it, just pull that magnet off here. All the way up, and it just opens right up. For easy, as big as this is in here, you can close this thing off and use it for camping. I'll show you how easy it is to pull up this tarp system on these quality rails that they have. So all you have to do is just pull up the tarp all the way up. Has about 3 of these little buckles. And it has these little hooks that just hook in up here at the top. So that's not falling down. So we just slide these buckles all the way up. Take your buckle, put it through your loop. I love the fact that we can fit at least 4 or 5 people in here. You can get 4 lawn chairs, set it in here, get your little buddy heater, set it in the middle, stay nice and toasty while you're hunting, and enjoy friends and family while you're out in the woods hunting, camping, fishing, whatever you'd like to do with this hunting blind. So I showed you how easy it was to put up. Now let's take it down, show you how easy that is. So first I'm going to start with the inside, pull the roof down, and then we'll push in all the sides. So now we just take each corner, pull it in. So if you would check out this TideWe hunting blind and would purchase it, SPH 18 gives you 18% discount when you check out. Helps us out, supports the channel. Thanks for joining us.